Dinton Castle in Buckinghamshire is just a little jewel full of history. Not a defensive castle, but a mini castle.
Hola! Welcome to my castle. I'm Jaime Fernández, also known as Jimmy.
My wife and I, we both saw it and we fell in love, and we thought, what a shame that this place is in such a ruinous condition. We spent 100,000 purchasing the property and then more than 300,000 on the renovation.
The castle was originally built in 1769 by a gentleman that wanted to house his ammonite fossil collection. These gigantic ammonites are embedded all around the structure.
My role in the project was everything. Owner, architect, designer. I used to call it extreme DIY.
Please come in. So, the castle is divided in 3 floors. We've got the kitchen and dining. This is the space where we are now. Then we've got the sitting room and 2 bedrooms with en suites upstairs. I tried to keep as much as the original building, original fabric I could. The original fireplace used to be here. We've managed to fit the hob perfectly there. Here we've got the breakfast bar, and reminds me, you can see plenty of shells all around. They were from the Jurassic area, and you can still see the remains of the shells. Coming out from the kitchen, this is the sitting room. This is our favorite spot in the house. It's where we spend most of the time. It's lovely because we've got this 360 views to the fields, the trees, countryside. I chose to keep the red brick exposed because it contains also a lot of history about the building. You can see initials and dates. How do we hide the pipework or the plumbing and electrics, which is in fact behind this beautiful board that came from the same tree that made all the windowsills in the house. The staircase was by far the most challenging thing in the restoration process. I had to do a 3D laser scan, and the accuracy is amazing. I mean, the detail here is less than 20 millimeters around every wall. We're now at the top floor where we've got the bedrooms. Originally, the space was an open plan, and this used to be the meeting room. This is the master bedroom. This used to be the main door. They used to come with horse and cart, stop there and get up here. This is the roof terrace. It's very unique because you are literally under and surrounded by trees. So it makes you feel like you're in a tree house. We're finding the castle very comfortable for living, but it wouldn't allow us to have any more kids. So I'm afraid that at this point we do need to sell it. Whenever we move on, we're gonna be sad. Also, we'll always feel proud of having achieved what we have achieved and saved the building.